Hi, Rena. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to give you the assignment or things that we're going through for today so that you guys, or that you have a little bit of chance to participate throughout the day if you wish to do that. I just got your email and I sent one back to you and I returned your assignment. It's the one that looks like this. You have it done already. Here it is. I just made some comments on there and hit return. So you should have that back. I think it goes back to your classroom. So whatever was due for today as far as chapter 1, section 1.3 to 2.5, you have that done. That's right here. So that part is taken care of, and I think I saw your political ideology slide was turned in as well. So you should be caught up for me. Today in class, what we are doing is we're actually watching an online webinar that the 9/11 Memorial puts together for students and teachers to use. And so I play it here at school. I think I have you registered, or I registered myself. I'll put the link in your classroom, and this is it. It's about 35 minutes long, and basically it's going to be interviews with different people and sharing their perspectives or their accounts from September 11, 2001. So if you would like to do that, I think that would be a good thing to do. Give you some insider knowledge as to what happened 19 years ago. And then the slideshow, here it is. This is what we started in class yesterday, and we're not going to do it today in class today because we have about 20 minutes and I use that to go through the webinar. But on Monday, we'll finish this in class. I think I'll add a slide at the end for you here and put you on the next section of the recovery timeline from ground zero. And then I will give you a separate, something similar to this as far as what you need to put on your slide, but it won't be quite as many. Okay? So today in class, we're watching the webinar. I'll put this link in the classroom for you to see. So if you're able to get in and watch it, that's great. If you're not able to, maybe let me know and I'll see what I can do to try to get something that you can access. And then what we did in class, so out the door, what students had was just a note card. And they were given the question, if you were able to speak with anyone who had a firsthand account from events from September 11, 2001, what would you ask them? And you may write it on a note card. You don't have to. I'll probably just put it in your classroom as an assignment on a Google Doc, and you can just write the question and submit it. And then we'll take a look at some of the questions that we asked and see if we answer them at some point throughout the next couple of days. Okay? All right, so I think that's what we have. I think I covered everything for today. And if you do have any more questions, go ahead and ask. You're doing a great job. Thanks, Rena.